It's my first time sitting here. It's a nice little spot on top of a ridge. Down goes the valley over here. Nice spike. Big body. My guys are across here, so I'm gonna meet up with him. Thank you, Lord. Beautiful deer.
Giant body. Oh yeah. Hello. Now we can rest. Season's over.
Season's over. We're done. Time to spend time with the wives.
Yep. You gotta make it all up to them.
Hey, good year though, man. 2 tags. 1 buck tag and 1 doe tag. Got it done. Got some meat.
All right, last day.
Deer,
yep. This is the best part about deer hunting.
Yeah, this is the best part, man.
Look at it. Our concoction is the engine hoist.
Yeah, it works.
Yep.
Very useful.
Yeah, you're hard at work, man.
Yeah.
He's the guy.
We are tagged out. And it's so worth it. We didn't tag out the first day though. Shit,
nope.
We skunked for like a whole week.
Skunked for a whole week, but
we tagged out for a whole week.
3 days straight.
Yeah, 3 days straight.
We've been lucky, so. All right, guys.
All right.